Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best Shopify apps for e-commerce. Shopify's app store is packed with over 6,000 applications to enhance marketing, design, analytics, and more. If you're looking to increase conversion rate on Shopify, then this video is right for you. I'm going to highlight some of the top free Shopify apps across key categories. The key, however, is to not go overboard. Too many apps can slow your site, so prioritize the tools with maximum impact without compromising your site speed. So let's jump right into it. The first app category that we have is product reviews. Shopify review apps are essential tools that help store owners collect, manage, and display customer reviews on their Shopify store. These apps offer a range of features from automated review requests and customizable review forms to rich snippets and social proof widgets. In my opinion, the top Shopify review apps are: number one, we have Loox. Loox is one of the most popular Shopify apps for displaying product reviews and photos. It not only shows users to add their reviews, but also lets them upload a photo of the product that they purchased. This app is used by hundreds of thousands of Shopify owners, and the features include importing product reviews and photos from any source with a single click. Fully responsive design ensures that reviews and photos load smoothly on any device. Automatic, fully branded review requests and reminders. However, there is no free plan available, and the paid version starts from $9.99 per month. It does include a 7-day trial, so make sure to make use of this trial, and if you like what it has to offer, then you can always switch to the paid version. On number 2 for the review apps, we have Ali Reviews. Some features include collecting reviews by sending customizable and automated review requests, emails, and SMS. It rewards customers with discounts for photo reviews. It also displays personalized reviews based on customer info or on-site behavior. This one has a free plan available, and the paid version starts from $9.90 per month. And lastly, we have none other than Judge Me. Some features include text, photo, and video product reviews, so you're not limited to only photos or the text ones, plus automatic reminders for customers to actually write the reviews. You can have unlimited amount of review requests, orders, and imports. It offers 24/7 email and chat customer support. And the best part is the paid version is available at a fixed price of $15 per month, in addition to a free plan that includes a lot of features. This one has very positive reviews and is being used by thousands of Shopify owners, so be sure to give it a shot if you don't have a review app yet. Next up on the list, we have Print on Demand. Print on Demand apps let you test products without inventory costs. They handle production and shipping. And the first app that we recommend for today is Printful. This one has one of the largest range of print on demand products, easy to use product markup generator, and premium quality products. It's also free to use, you don't really need a subscription, and you only pay for production when you get orders. Printify is another great option that synchronizes with Shopify quickly. It offers a wide range of clothing products and has a straightforward markup generator. It's also available free for 5 stores, and the premium plan starts at $29 per month. Affiliate programs applications are another great addition to the list. Affiliate programs reward customers for referrals, which also help spread the word. They generate custom links, promo codes, and track referrals with no setup required. Affiliates only get paid if referrals purchase, and apps like Refersion can help you achieve just that. Refersion has a network of over 500,000 affiliates and helps merchants power their affiliate marketing campaigns. Features include product level commissions, customizable registration pages, and free listing on the Refersion marketplace. With Refersion, you can have a 14-day free trial, so make sure to give it a shot. If you get immense value from it, then you can go ahead and get a paid plan. But if it's too pricey for you, then we've got you covered with UpPromote. This one helps spread the brand's stories and products with the aid of brand ambassadors. The features include multi-level marketing, customized affiliate registration forms and links. You've got real-time tracking and white label email option. It does include a free plan, and you've also got a bunch of other plans that you can choose from if you wish to upgrade. Another important category that we must not forget about is customer support. Confused customers want complete purchases, so consider adding a chatbot for quick answers to questions. This one makes it easy to add a WhatsApp live chat button on your Shopify site. It offers features like live chat for customer support, automated and manual abandoned cart recovery, order and delivery notifications, and more. You can check the paid plan pricing and features right here. Another great application is Tidio. Tidio has ready-to-use sales and support chatbots that increase revenue and immediately answer the most common questions of your customers. You can also talk to your visitors on live chat and quickly solve problems to sell proactively. It also integrates very easily with Shopify and you can get it added in under a minute. Just simply click Add the application to your Shopify store. It's free to install and the plan includes a 7-day trial for all the features. After the trial, you can have the free plan forever. There are also more plans available. Take a look at them and see which one suits you best. And finally, we have email marketing. Email marketing captures leads, sends promotions, and tracks customer journeys. Integrate with some of the apps that I'm going to recommend now for built-in power. Shopify email comes pre-connected. You can use your branding, showcasing products, and enabling automations. It's a great free choice for beginners. Other than that, we have Klaviyo for email marketing and SMS. It's a powerful email marketing platform tailored for e-commerce businesses. It allows merchants to create personalized automated email sequences and SMS messages. You have a free plan available with Klaviyo, and it includes the email, SMS, forms, mobile push, and reviews. Another great choice would be MailChimp. It is a renowned email marketing platform that integrates with Shopify to help merchants drive traffic and sales with email and marketing automation. This one also has a free plan available, and you get with it a comprehensive email marketing tools, automation, audience segmentation, and analytics. So in summary, the Shopify App Store provides endless capabilities to enhance your e-commerce operations and growth. Focus on the apps that help you acquire and retain high lifetime value customers. Also, if you're only just starting your Shopify journey, then I highly suggest that you sign up with the link in our description down below. It will grant you a temporary offer where you can open your Shopify store for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. So be absolutely sure to grab that offer before it's too late. Let us know which apps you found to be most valuable, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make in the future.